This is the Timex T115S multifunction travel alarm clock. Large, easy to read LCD with snooze, alarm set, and PM indicators. Wake to electronic buzzer alarm, snooze and repeat alarm. 24-hour set and forget alarm with auto repeat and auto shut off. It has a built-in flashlight with 3 super bright LED lights. Folding design with integrated clip converts to flashlight or to book light. I really like this travel alarm clock, pocket or purse. As you can see, it has a kickstand on the back. The flashlight rotates around. The clock can swivel. You can do a lot of things with this clock.